Imagine an AI that stops generating text and starts executing tasks. Right now, we are all familiar with the standard chatbot. It acts as a powerful prediction machine, guessing the best next word in a sequence. But if we want productivity beyond a conversation, being a great writer is a dead end. This diagram shows the specific limits current models run into. Their knowledge is frozen in time. They cannot take external actions. They confidently state wrong information. And every time you open a new window, they start with a total blank slate. Relying on a standalone model is like having a brilliant conversationalist who is trapped in a windowless room, unable to move. An AI agent is designed to break out of that box. Instead of stopping after one answer, an agent persists until the task is done. This loop is the core architecture of an agent. It thinks about the goal, decides on an action, observes the result, and repeats. It functions like a junior assistant, looking up information, using software tools to check results, and trying again. This shift from a single response to a continuous loop is what turns a chatbot into an autonomous worker. Every agent is built inside a digital workshop using these 4 components. The first piece is the brain. The model acts as the engine, providing raw reasoning power, but does nothing on its own. Your instructions act as the steering wheel, telling the engine what it's trying to achieve and how to behave. An engine and a steering wheel provide power and direction, but the system still cannot interact with the world outside itself. To fix that, we add tools. These are the hands of the agent, giving it the ability to reach outside its own software. Now the AI can use a calculator for math, search for recent events, or query a live database. The final piece is memory. Without a clipboard to track its own steps, the agent would instantly forget the information it just found. When you combine raw reasoning, a clear goal, external tools, and memory, you finally have a fully autonomous machine. This 4-part machine is built to handle complex, multi-step human problems. A research assistant agent uses its tools to search the web, reads multiple sources into its memory, and writes a summary based on what it found. A customer support agent can query a company database for a real order number and resolve a complaint without guessing. A coding assistant writes code, runs it, observes an error in the output, and autonomously loops back to fix the mistake. These agents succeed because they have the tools to check their work and correct their own errors without a human pressing a button. This process uses RAG, or retrieval augmented generation, which prevents the agent from hallucinating facts. RAG is a library card. It allows the agent to securely read your private files and spreadsheets before it formulates an answer. This is the dividing line between an AI that guesses and an AI that knows. LangChain is the workshop where this happens. It is the framework where you wire the engine, the hands, and the library card together. You don't need a machine learning degree to build this. You just need to understand how these pieces connect. Join us in part 2, where we enter the workshop and build your first library card. Understanding these foundations is the path for moving AI out of the chat box and into the real world.